obsessed with the idea of you. How you carry yourself is your superpower. Don't care what anybody thinks of you. Wish I could say the same. I pretend I like what's in the mirror, while you look at me so proud to be yours. I can't see what you see in me, what you see in me. All I see is somebody that I barely know. Do you still have days you forget your worth? Do you still have days you feel insecure? Do you think